Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our beloved lecturer and my fellow friends. I'm Afiqah Sabri. Today I will talk about the worrying issues which is about the animal at risk from climate change. I'm quite sure that the issues of climate change, you have heard before this, right? The issues have become worse until now. The climate change is occur when the greenhouse effects and the amount of solar radiation is trapped in Earth's atmosphere, and it will regulate the temperature of our Earth. Can you see the changes of Arctic Ocean from 1979 to 2007? So, how about today? Have you realized about this? Do you know that human activity are the main causes of climate change, and human activities such as industrialization, transportation, uses of air conditioner, and deforestation are changing the natural greenhouse and increase concentration of greenhouse gases. On average, Earth will become warmer. Some regions may warmer temperature, and others may not. A stronger greenhouse effect will warm the oceans and partially melt glaciers and other ice, and also rising sea level. So, what the impact of climate change? First of all, koala is the one of animal the impact of climate change. Koala is an arboreal herbivorous marsupial, and they live in the woodland of Australia. Thick fur and skin make it difficult for them to adapt with rising temperature. Also, increase of carbon dioxide in atmosphere produce less protein in the eucalyptus leaf, and it is forcing them to search for other sources of food for survival. Their habitat also being destroyed by drought, bushfire, and development. So koala needs to migrate to other areas. Do you know the Australian Koala Foundation estimate only less than 100,000 koala left in the world? Secondly, ring seal. Ring seal is the smallest of seals, and they live in Arctic Ocean. They prefer to rest in ice floe and will move further north for denser ice. All population of ring seals are affected by climate change because of dependence of sea ice and snow dams for breeding, protecting pups, molting, and resting. For your information, now there are probably more than 2 million ring seals worldwide. Last but not least is tufted puffin. Tufted puffin is medium-sized, stocky, dark seabird with a rounded head, and they live along the northern Pacific coast. Tufted puffin are threatened by sea level rise and storm surge, which destroy habitats and their breeding areas. In some areas in North America, warming seas are causing the fish that puffin feeds on the migrate further north, making them difficult for them to find adequate food. Do you know the total world population estimate tufted puffin on North America is 2,970,000 individuals, and in Alaska is 2,280,000 individuals. So, what you can do to overcome this environmental issue? Firstly is cycling. Bike riding may minimal uses of fossil fuel and is a pollution-free mode of transport. Cycling 10 km each way to work or class would save 1,500 kilograms of greenhouse gas emission each year. And the secondly is using recycled material in the manufacturing process. uses less energy they require from producing new products from raw material. As recycling saves energy, it also reduces greenhouse gas emission, which help to tackle climate change. Lastly, commit to reducing your meat and dairy consumption by a few meals for a week, and tell our friends about your choice to find alternative protein. Shifting to more plant-based food is essential to combating climate change. So, in conclusion, it is important to overcome this issue. There are young generations that still need Earth for their homes, and Earth is also home for other habitats, not only for humans. Thank you.